Alright, here's the new toys I bought. These are the AMBother Lightbar that I just got, and I bought this Curt adapter. As you can see, these are all the different makes and models it has on it. That's what it looks like. I already have it hooked up. It's pretty dark out, so I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. But yeah, so ever since I used this, I had an iJoy before. That light bar is dog shit. Just don't even get it. Got this, and I didn't have to hook up into it like I did on the old one and cut all my wires up. This is amazing. I probably should have just did this to begin with. So this is 23 bucks. This is 23 bucks. Not bad for a $46, so it looks really good. I'll show you how I have it ran underneath the truck, like I said in the morning. Alright, so this is how I have it set up under here. I got my Curt adapter, my harness, my truck's, come on, stop being so blurry. This is my truck's harness, alright? That used to be plugged in here, but this is the adapter. You plug that in here, you plug your harness into this part of the Curt adapter, and then you have your plug in here that's on the Curt adapter that I have my light bar plugged into, which just saves so much headache. So if I would have probably had this the first time, that piece of shit iJoy light bar I had might have worked better. Maybe not. And then I also, to have it with my reverse, I still had my old light bar up there, so I just used the existing cable and hooked to it for my reverse that goes up into my light. So if y'all already know how to do that, you can do that. It's pretty simple. I don't think I have a video on that, but yeah, that's what I did. So then I just have everything tucked up here on top of this and zip tied out of the way. I might put some duct tape around it, or electrical tape, but I doubt it. But that's it. For that connector up there, I'll probably tape off, but for right now, that's it. This is all it is, and it's really worth it. I definitely recommend you getting that Curt adapter. It's a must. I should have done this to begin with. That's how far I did it from each side. So I have it. I used just the adhesive, but I did have a couple mounts for my previous light bar, so I just went back over it, and as you can see, I did about an inch and a half, 2 inches on each end. So in case the adhesive fails, which I doubt it will, that's what I did. That's just the zip tie from that Curt. I gotta cut that. So yeah, I hope this helps you out a lot. That looks a little better. I'm trying not to have shit in the way. Hope this helps you out a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Hit that subscribe button and the like button. Appreciate it.